Hello everyone, welcome to PRV solution. So in this experiment we will study measurement of impedance. So for impedance measurement we can use three techniques using magic tee, using sorted line and using reflectometers. So in this experiment we will study measurement of impedance using slotted line, how slotted line can be used for measurement of impedance. So basically it consists of two steps only. Firstly, in first step we will connect our microwave bench as shown in this diagram, and in second step we will connect our microwave bench in as shown in second diagram. So here we will use unknown load, here we will use shorted termination. So when unknown load is connected to the bench, then we will determine V minimum using ZL, unknown impedance, and in step 2 we will measure V minimum by using short circuit the load, by short circuiting the load, and in this method we will measure V minimum as shown in third diagram. In step 1 we will measure the position of the V minima, and when second step will occur, then there may be shift in this V minima towards the left side or towards the right side. If this shift will occur towards the left side, then we may conclude that this load is inductive in nature. If this shift occurs towards the right side, then we may conclude that this load is capacitive, because in left side this point is shifted towards the generator. So if this impedance point is or minima point is shifted towards the generator, then load is inductive, and from if this minima point is shifted towards the right, then there is a shift in towards this load point, towards the load side. So we may conclude that load is capacitive in nature, and to find the value of the unknown impedance we will use this formula. Unknown impedance is equal to the characteristic impedance 1 plus reflection by 1 minus reflection. And how we will calculate this reflection coefficient can be calculated from standard relation S minus 1 upon S plus 1, where S is the VSWR. And how we will find this VSWR? This VSWR we already done experiment which was third or fourth experiment, how to calculate VSWR of a unknown load. So in first step we will calculate this standing wave ratio of the, because unknown load is connected here, so we can calculate here VSWR of this unknown load. From this VSWR we can calculate reflection coefficient of the line S minus 1 upon S plus 1. After calculating this reflection coefficient, we can calculate this unknown impedance of the load. And to calculate the phase angle, we may use another relation, pi plus twice beta d shift. D shift is the shift towards right side or left side from the standard minima position, and this beta can be calculated as 2 pi by lambda g. Lambda g is the guided wavelength, which can be calculated by connecting short at the end of the microwave bench. So in this way we can calculate impedance by using slotted line.